How's it going, everybody? Look at that, we are getting snow. How awesome is that? So it did not take long to finish that field of soybeans that you saw from the last video. So we were gonna go down the river flat. If you've been watching the videos, you know we got flooded out of the river flat. It is what it is. So I figured I would bring you guys between the two fields, I would bring you guys a soybean in review video, because I planned on doing at least 2 more down on the river flat. It would have taken at least 2 more videos worth, but since we're not gonna do that anymore, I'm gonna bring you this soybean, quick little soybean in review. I hope you enjoy. On that note, wrapped up soybeans, get everything back to the shop, and get the corn head put on and get ready to start high moisture corn. So that was a quick soybean overview video, or review video, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, if you enjoyed it and didn't see the other videos, go back in the other ones and check them out. If you checked them out and you just liked them, go back and watch them again. That'd be awesome too. But anyway, thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. I truly do. I really do. Don't just say that. I really do appreciate it. So hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you guys know when I post videos. And if you guys like videos like this, let me know and I will do some more like this. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Have a good night, everybody.